you reloaded 3 times. Who in particular were you shooting at?
I'm saying
Who is it?
I don't
Who
know
is
where.
it? Who is it? Who is that person you want me to go ask? What's their name? So why would you say something like that to me? Go ask them. That's just being a smart aleck.
Right from the start, you can feel the tension in this courtroom, and it only gets worse. This isn't just another routine hearing. This is a defendant walking into court facing serious felony charges involving firearms, multiple victims, and a judge who is not in the mood for games. We're talking about 51 shots fired in a public setting, innocent people caught in the chaos, and a legal deal that could have saved him from prison. But here's where it gets wild. Attitude, hesitation, and the wrong words at the wrong time can completely flip a case. Watch closely, because this might be one of those rare moments where a deal disappears right in front of the defendant and everything turns upside down.
Looks like he's going to be disposing of both cases, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, we have 2 cases called now, 24 CR 303 and 0304. Each of them similarly allege that on or about January 11th, 2024 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the third-degree felonies of, it says, deadly conduct, discharging a firearm at or in the direction of others, namely a vehicle. All right, you are Mr. Bennett?
Correct.
Okay. And Mr. Dusler is here representing you. And do we need a formal reading of these indictments or summary as the court just gave? Is that sufficient? These are third-degree felonies, Mr. Bennett, which mean if convicted, you face no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement in prison in each case. And you can also be fined up to $10,000. You understand the punishment range applicable in each of these cases.
Correct.
Agreements have been reached where you would be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation on each case. Is that right, everybody?
Yes.
Which will be up, which can be up to 10 years in length, fined $500. These would run concurrently. Do you understand?
Correct.
If I follow this agreement in each case, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Correct.
How do you plead in each of these cases? Guilty or not guilty? That you. How do you plead in each case? Guilty or not guilty? I'm sorry, guilty?
Correct.
Are you pleading guilty in each case voluntarily on your own free will and because you are guilty?
I guess so, yeah.
I'm sorry.
I guess so.
Yes, you are.
Correct.
Yes.
I show you what's marked in each case as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign those documents voluntarily?
Correct.
Did you understand them, discuss them with your attorney? Are the contents all true and correct? Yes?
Yeah, correct.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence in each of these cases.
No objection.
Without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty pleas, which are freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read them. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the right to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You are totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God. Is that so?
Correct.
State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence reports waived?
Yes, sir.
Stand by, please. All right, I'm looking at this probable cause affidavit, and what happened here?
Somebody shot in my car. Well,
So you quite naturally then fired 51 rounds at other people.
I was actually.
You didn't even know who you were shooting at, did you?
Yes, I did.
Well, that's not what these people say. These people.
I seen them run towards my car. And I discharged my firearm.
At what? Let's see. You,
I'll be honest with you,
Waji Hamad, let me speak. Waji Hamad, who owns Last Call Liquor, it was struck by several bullets. He wanted to file charges. Were you shooting at Last Call Liquor for some reason?
Correct.
Well, that's what got struck by your wild bullet fire.
May have got hit in the midst of
Juan Rojas, whose passenger car was struck by several bullets coming from Bennett. He wanted to file charges against you as well. Were you shooting Juan Rojas for some reason?
incorrect.
You shot at it. It hit his passenger vehicle.
I wasn't trying to.
Huh?
My bullets went straight.
Oh, you don't think that can happen when you fire 51 bullets?
Correct. That's what happened.
What do you think? Is that too, are you watching movies? I mean, 51 bullets. What were you firing from? What kind of weapon was it and what was the magazine?
Glock 45. And
How many times did you reload?
3 times.
Sir?
3 times.
You reloaded 3 times. Who in particular were you shooting at that you obviously missed? Who were you shooting at in particular?
My
It's
target.
not supposed to happen in a city. They shouldn't be shooting at you, and you shouldn't be firing 51 rounds at different people who weren't involved.
I was doing what I had to do to protect my child. If you was in that situation, you would have done the same thing.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, sir. You're incorrect. I would be responsible in what I'm shooting at.
Correct.
If you would have killed anybody, you'd have been charged with murder.
Correct.
In spite of what your intentions may have been.
Correct.
Okay. What was someone shooting at you for? Why were they shooting at you? What provoked this? You have no clue? For no reason? Is that what you're telling me? For no reason, somebody just started shooting at you unprovoked? I know it can happen, but that's not what normally happens in this courtroom.
Can you go ask them?
I'm sorry?
You can go ask them.
Are you being a smart aleck to me?
No, I'm saying.
Who is it?
I don't
Who
know
is
where-
it? Who is it? Who is that person you want me to go ask? What's their name? So why would you say something like that to me? Go ask them. That's just being a smart aleck. Is that your nature? You're reckless. Is that your nature to be a smart aleck?
Just-
That's rude in this courtroom. That's rude. Have you ever been arrested before?
Correct.
Is that yes?
Correct.
I'm asking you a question. I'm not making a statement. Or have you been arrested before?
Correct.
How many times?
1 time.
For what?
Yes.
This, I'm not talking about this event.
No.
For shooting at another time?
No. Correct.
Do you want to go out there and sit in the cell for a little while? What were you arrested for? Is my question. Why am I having to pull this out like I'm a dentist pulling your teeth out?
Do you have any other
No.
arrests besides
No.
this?
That's what I'm asking you. You've never been arrested before other than this,
My
right?
first offense. I'm not understanding why I'm getting 10 years probation.
Huh?
This is my first offense, so I'm not understanding why I got 10 years probation. That's all I'm saying.
You're not going to get 10 years deferred probation with me. We're setting this for trial. We'll let a jury decide your fate. That's what happens. When you're indecisive, these are all situations when you plead guilty, you have to convince me that that's what you want to do. Mr. Dusler, we're setting this for trial. Do you want him to represent you at trial? Are you the public defender on this?
Yes.
You don't even have a job?
Correct. I wound up breaking my leg. I broke my fibula in my 2 years.
When?
Like 3 months ago.
Okay, before that, what did you do for work?
Landscape,
How much did you make for landscaping? How long were you a landscaper?
7 months.
Before that, what did you do
I was working at Sun,
at Sonic?
checkers and stuff like that. Just really fast food. I wasn't really working too much. I was trying to get into the plant, but that's a hit or miss.
Well, you won't get in with this over your head. We're gonna set this for trial and we'll let a jury decide. By the way, juries cannot give deferred or unadjudicated probation. If it's probation, you're convicted for the rest of your life for a felony, if they give you probation. And you're looking at up to 10 years on each case, but it would be for a jury. Jury can't give you deferred or unadjudicated probation. You can only get this from the court. And I'm not accepting his pleas in the manner he has presented to me.
So
We're gonna go to trial. Mr. Dusler can continue to represent you. He's a fine lawyer. Is that what you want to do? Or we can replace him and get somebody on the trial docket wheel.
If you wanted to get resolved, whether he can replace me. So tell him this.
I'm about to go. Figure it out.
Mr. Bennett, you and I have gone over this at length, and while you feel that 10 years is a long time to be on probation, you understand that the court was going to cut you a break by giving you deferred adjudication.
Also, I can shorten it by a third, but for people who do, which I do every day.
Since you've never been on
But
probation.
that's not going to be applicable in this case.
Since you've never been on probation before, the district attorney and the court were going to cut you a break and offer you deferred adjudication. You may not like the length of the term of probation, but that's generally what the judge.
It's in the place to sell it. I mean, it just should have been done a long time ago before we come up here. And that's, so do you want to keep him for trial or not? Yes or no?
You want to replace me and let him get a different lawyer, you can get it to court quickly.
It's your option. He's a good lawyer. There is no answer. You will, under the rules, you will be representing and we'll set these for trial. Get a resetting from that lady and we're going to try this one.
Judge, I think he's responding now.
I really just got to think about it. That's a lot. Really
Get the resetting.
This is exactly how quickly things can spiral in a courtroom when a defendant fails to read the room. What started as a potential plea deal, deferred probation, no immediate prison time, and a second chance, completely collapsed due to hesitation, lack of clarity, and a confrontational tone with the judge. Let's be clear, firing 51 rounds in a public space is an extremely serious offense, regardless of intent. The judge was evaluating not just the crime, but the defendant's attitude, credibility, and willingness to take responsibility. And when that confidence disappeared, so did the deal. Now, instead of probation, the case heads to trial, where the stakes are significantly higher, including the possibility of a permanent felony conviction and years behind bars. So here's the question for you. Do you think the judge made the right call, or should the defendant have been given that second chance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.